Well, I this is week 3, 21 days after surgery, or at least tomorrow will be 21 days after surgery of my knee, and went to physical therapy today, and it's doing well. The physical therapist was great. Was impressed with the healing of the incision, and my mobility is not too bad. And then he proceeded to work on some cramps I had in my thigh and in my calf, and I about died because he was not gentle. But he did get the cramp out of my thigh pretty much. The cramp in my calf is still there, sort of, but it was an improvement. And he pressed and pulled and tugged and hurt a lot, but it went away pretty quickly. That's one of the things I'm really grateful for. The pain is now pretty much localized and only comes out whenever I'm doing something that is bending related. And then they had me go do a few exercises, which are really simple exercises. Don't get me wrong; these are not difficult exercises. Standing up out of a chair 10 times twice. Not as easy as it sounds when you have a bad knee. Standing on a roll with your toes on it, pushing your leg straight up and down for the count of 30 seconds. Simple. Stepping up onto a step that's about 6 inches tall. 10 times twice. Simple. Taking a band, one of those stretch bands, and pulling your leg back so it's straight. 10 times twice. Actually, it was 3 times. 10 times 3 times. All simple exercises. Not so simple when your knee is recovering from surgery. But I can say this much: when it was all done, it wasn't too bad. My leg's really tired, and my wife and I went to Costco this evening and walked around and bought a bunch of stuff, and I was able to walk anywhere I wanted to without any problem, without any pain. My stride is getting better. It's not there yet, but it's getting there better. My extension is not quite 100, right? Not quite 180 yet, but it's getting closer. And I can bend my knee now, as long as they don't beat it up before I try to bend it, to almost 90 degrees. So I'm making progress. I go back on Thursday, and we'll see what I do then. But I have a milestone I have to tell you. Yesterday, I walked upstairs normally. Well, let's not exaggerate. It wasn't exactly normal, but I walked up the stairs using both feet instead of just my left leg raising up and then stepping on a step and bringing my left leg up, bringing my right leg back up to match that one. I actually used my right leg to propel me upstairs. Sort of. I used my left leg to push off on the step below, and I used my hand to pull on the rail. So it wasn't completely all my weight, but I did make all the stairs in our stairwell without dying. Matter of fact, it wasn't very painful. It was just hard. So, progress. I'm mighty happy what's going on, and looking forward to more progress. Now the only trouble I've got is try to figure out how to make the thing not so stiff when I first try to use it. If I sit for more than 15 minutes, the leg stiffens up, and it takes me 3 or 4 steps before I can get it loosened up enough to actually do anything I want to do without feeling like it's a dead weight. But progress. For 3 weeks out, I'm pretty happy, and the swelling has gone down a lot. I only have swelling isolated around my knee now. It's not down my leg or in my foot or anything like that. And if I can get the cramps in my upper thigh, and I mean center upper thigh, much higher than he thought it was going to be. He was thinking it would be closer to kneecap, but no, it was upper thigh. And then on my right hand side, just below my knee joint, the calf muscle right there on the right hand side is what's cramping. So good news, positive news, and making progress.